Future of cars. Introduction. Vehicles in the near future will be fuel efficient, zero emission, and use high-tech electronics and software to assist drivers in a variety of ways. Vehicles will communicate with each other, with the road and with traffic signals. Autos and trucks of the future will use vision enhancement devices to help you navigate through bad weather, let you see around them, or warn you of a possible collision with a pedestrian or animal. They will also let you know if you are getting drowsy or straying from your lane. In 20 years, cars of the future will be radically different than the automobiles of today, and so will the driving experience. Apple's project. Apple's ability to make desirable iGadgets designed for easy portability is beyond question. Reports emerged this week that it is planning to make a mobile device that will instead carry its users in an electric car. Apple's plans are unclear and unconfirmed. By some accounts, it has put a few hundred people to work developing cars to match Tesla, another Silicon Valley firm that makes fast and luxurious battery-powered saloons. Others reckon that it is working on a self-driving car. Upcoming features: hands-free driving, digital frontier, morphing motors, design, first car, design, present design, future design. When will cars fly? Companies have been adding semi-autonomous features to cars since the 1990s, things like adaptive cruise control, which uses sensors to adjust a car's speed based on the traffic in front of it, and automated parallel parking. Some cars automatically stop or at least slow down if a driver doesn't step on the brake in time to avoid a collision, and in certain 2017 Mercedes-Benz models, the driver will be able to change lanes simply by hitting the turn signal for 2 seconds. Within a few years, cars may be able to determine when an accident is likely and make adjustments to the cabin, moving seats, closing windows, retracting the steering wheel, and possibly can even fly. Companies. Uber made a huge hire to advance its flying car plans. Mark Moore has left his position as an advanced aircraft engineer at NASA's Langley Research Center to join Uber's flying car project, dubbed Uber Elevate, Bloomberg first reported Monday. Uber isn't pursuing a flying car, per se, because it isn't being designed to fly and drive. Instead, Uber, like many other companies, is looking to build an electric, vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL, aircraft for shorter urban commutes. Moore published a white paper outlining how electric VTOLs could work in 2010. But competition is mounting when it comes to the flying car moonshot. Here are 5 other companies working on their own VTOL aircrafts. Advantages: roving safety, reducing emissions and easing congestion, increased essaying access to vehicle for everyone, minimize fuel consumption, obey all traffic rules, substantially reduce collisions, find the optimum routes. Conclusion: many new car technologies are either specifically built for safety or at least have some sort of safety focus to them. Some of the latest car innovations we've found are some truly exciting technologies that could revolutionize not just the automotive industry but human transportation in general. Thank you. Please subscribe for more interesting updates.